Hello, it's Chima here again. I couldn't record this video yesterday, and I just want to record it quickly now, just to show you what happened with the EURUSD breakout system yesterday, Friday, the 30th of April. So Friday we had two opportunities, EUROCAD and GBPCAD. Now the chart is currently on EUROCAD, and we can clearly see another textbook setup. Just followed all the rules and just gave us just insane. So price moved 137, okay, 37% higher than the typical ATR on this currency pair. And so we had entry around there. We could have also taken entry from here just to make sure that we were safe, but the textbook entry is a few pips below the Asian session low, and then stop loss would have been about 25 pips, and we can see over 100 pips in profit. Yeah, so that's not bad. And then the second one was GBPCAD. Similar arrangement, looks exactly the same. Again, textbook setup. This one as well, 35 pips stop loss and 135 pips take profit on this. So yeah, very good setup. Again, if you're not doing this, I'm not sure what you're waiting for. Get this indicator. It's currently on MQL5 at $50, $49.99. But follow the link on this video and you can get access to this to the indicator and a 4-part video series where I actually explain and describe this strategy for just $7. So yeah, I do hope you will have a great trading month in May. Yeah, okay, all right, so until next time, you take care. EURUSD breakout system doing great things. All right, cheers.